Let's learn how you can share your TikTok or random TikTok video on Facebook and Messenger. So without any delay, let us start by opening TikTok application. Now you will have to find some random video you want to share, and now you will have to click on this right showing side arrow that's above the sound icon. Now we need two applications, Messenger and Facebook. So if you share this and click on Facebook, it will open and post TikTok video on your Facebook feed and not to the people you want to share with. So if you don't want to post your Facebook on your feed or wall, you will have to go again on arrow and click on Messenger icon. Now it will open Messenger application and show you the list of your friends. To send someone of your friends a video, just click on this send button on right side of their name, and once you do that, just click on done and your